YouTube, this is Man in Disguise here. So this might be either played in first part of the video or in next of the video. Let's see what happens. So my experience till now is that I started my journey from Jammu at 11:30 a.m. So it took me around 8 hours to enter Delhi and one and a half hours to reach to my home, which is this place. And yeah, bike performed good. I wasn't feeling anything like pressure and all till I came here. When I slept over the night, my back got sore muscles and I was in pain the whole day. Yesterday was pretty much I was sleeping yesterday because of the fact that my back was paining due to that bag which I was carrying with me. Rest, there is no other issue with the bike and with me. So far so good. And also I took my bike today to KTM showroom for a general checkup. In general checkup, it was just chain overhauling, and they filled up 300 ml of engine oil in case there won't be in case they said like you want to add some because the level was a little bit low. So a little bit of coolant was down, so filled up the coolant, washed up to my bike, and rest is okay, nothing else. Yeah, and the thing is, from here I will be continuing my journey to Chandigarh, which is I guess around 250-300 kilometers, I guess, I don't know. It takes usually 4 to 5 hours to reach there. So let's see when will I go. Our plan was to go by today or either by tomorrow morning, but let's see what happens tomorrow. So yeah, I will be staying in Chandigarh for a few days also. And yeah, and what else, bike is okay. Yeah, roads were pretty much like straight stretch of 150 to 200 kilometers. So far so good. Let's see what happens. Yeah, this is the flag as you can see. Today is 23rd of April. So yeah, I took a 1 day rest from all this. So I just took a bath right now and came straight away here. So far so good. Let's see. If you wanna see more, I will show you some. I will show you the whole. This is the place where I'm staying. You can see. This is 29th floor. You can see everything here. And there's nothing much to show around because we moved around 5 to 6 months back, and this is my room. And as you can see, it's 9:07:06 in the afternoon, 23rd April. Yeah, the balcony, like from master bedroom up. That's tennis court and badminton court. That's pool. That's for open theater kind of thing. This is Greater Noida extension. You can see. Hello YouTube, this is Man in Disguise here. So today I'm leaving for Chandigarh from Delhi. Yeah. Okay. Chandigarh. So it's 283 kilometers and it's showing 5 hours 10 minutes. My idea was to go early in the morning like 10-11, but I overslept. Not overslept, I slept at 6 o'clock in the morning and woke up at 11.
so that's why. And now it's 12:27. My sister is gonna be with me riding to Chandigarh. She's my pillion. The plan was to do it under 3 hours, but now I can't do it because she's sitting behind me. So yeah, that's the plan. Bike is all set, packed, looking good though. And there's nothing in here, just some clothes, and I guess I put my laptop back here and laptop, nothing else. Hope for good. Let's see where they are. Yeah, there they are coming, and I'll see you on the road. So it's 1882 kilometers and time is 12:46 and we are leaving. First I have to buy a helmet for my sister because she hasn't. It's a long ride. We have to buy a helmet, each one though. Let's see. And the Google is saying but like I said, I slept. So it might be taking us 1 to 2 hours to leave Delhi because of traffic, I guess. So that would be the problem. Have to buy a fucking helmet. हेलमेट देना यार कोई सस्ती, कितने की है? सब सस्ती हेलमेट कितने की है? हाँ, वो फाइनली सम स्ट्रेट रोड right beside a river. Man, that stretch was so annoying. It's been almost one hour and we have only done 20 to 30 kilometers. Like, that was very annoying. I don't know from where Google auntie is taking us, but it's doing damn. You know what I mean? I don't know from where Google auntie is taking us.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow, don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I?
We reached the Karnal. It's Karnal. Now from here Chandigarh is 123 kilometers. We will be, I guess, stopping somewhere to eat something because I ate only 2-3 sandwiches, bread sandwiches, and she hasn't eaten anything. So yeah, we won't have to do lunch.
You a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
So we took a break here for more than 1 hour, I guess. And now we are heading back. It's straight 120 kilometers till Chandigarh. So far so good.
And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know I fell for fools gold, I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know?